Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Good morning, YouTubers. Might not be morning when you watch this video, but it's morning for me right now. So good morning, YouTubers. Foggy morning. Someone slipped right up on me in this fog. Coal train.
I answer all comments and don't forget to subscribe.
Three cheers for all my viewers. Walter saying, we'll catch you later.